Alright, today I have Febreze Air Kitchen Odor Eliminator. This right here is a product made by Febreze. It has 2 times odor eliminating ingredients versus base Febreze. And the flavor for this, or the scent for this particular Febreze Air Kitchen Odor Eliminator, is Limon. Alright. So on the back it talks about like how to use this. It says eliminates odors such as right here says 100% natural propellant, water-based formula with a corn-derived odor eliminator, formulated with no phthalates, no dyes, no flammable propellants, no formaldehyde, which is a good thing to know, that formaldehyde is not used in something that I'm going to be breathing. And directions hold. It says safe when used properly around cats and dogs, as with other care products, not for use around birds. Hold can upright, pull back trigger, spray in the air in a sweeping motion throughout the entire room. Dry, damp floors to avoid injury. Do not store in vehicle. Do not shake for best results. So I'm going to go ahead and use this, and I'm going to spray this. You should definitely read the instructions yourself so you know the proper way of using this product before using it. But for video purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and demonstrate me spraying this Febreze. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it up tight, and then I'm going to spray it. So it comes out as a mist, a fine mist. Looks like a lot of it sinks to the ground, but a lot of it goes in the air to circulate in the air and make it lemony fresh. So that's a Febreze Air Kitchen Odor Eliminator 2 times. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.